In a land where fairy tales often meet reality, the story of Aurora, famously known as Sleeping Beauty, had a new chapter waiting to unfold. One night, a cool breeze drifted through the castle's hallways, rustling the petals of the roses that decorated Aurora's chamber. Startled by an ethereal hum in the air, she awoke to a faint glow that crept in under her door. Curious, she slipped out of bed, her golden hair cascading down her shoulders, and followed the melody that beckoned with an irresistible allure. Aurora tiptoed through the castle, drawn by the melodious tunes that grew louder with each step. As she approached the grand ballroom, she caught a glimpse of something quite extraordinary. The fairies who had once blessed her were now celebrating a spectacular midnight festival. Delicate lights floated above, shimmering like stars, while the air was filled with the sound of enchanting music and laughter that danced its way to her heart. The festival was a sight to behold, with fairies of every hue and size gliding gracefully, their wings reflecting a myriad of colors. At the center of it all stood Flora, Fauna, and Merryweather, their wands emitting gentle pulsations of magic in sync with the festival's liveliness. As Aurora entered, a cheer rose from the fairy folk, welcoming her with open wings. She twirled her way through the crowd, her feet instinctively finding rhythm, until she reached the fairies. "We've missed your presence in the night, dear Aurora," Flora said with a twinkle in her eye. Before Aurora could reply, the festive air began to shimmer unnaturally, and a foreboding silence enveloped the crowd. In a shocking twist, an ancient scroll materialized in the center of the ballroom, its pages unfurling to reveal an ominous spell that threatened perpetual revelry. The festival would continue endlessly, trapping everyone in a timeless loop unless the spell was broken.